Understanding how volume control works with your BT YouView box is essential for getting the best audio experience. There are several methods available depending on your setup. The primary way to control volume on a BT YouView box is through your TV remote. This is because the YouView box outputs audio via HDMI directly to your television. However, your YouView remote can also control the TV volume directly if HDMI-C is enabled. This feature allows communication between your YouView box and TV through the HDMI connection. HDMI CEC has different names depending on your TV brand. Samsung calls it AnyNet Plus, as you can see highlighted on this Samsung remote control. Sony televisions use the name Bravia Sync for their HDMI CEC implementation, and LG uses the name SimpLink for the same HDMI CEC functionality. For users with soundbars or external audio systems, volume control might require additional setup through the YouView box's audio settings menu. This diagram shows how devices connect through HDMI. Recent software updates have significantly improved audio output consistency and remote control responsiveness, addressing many common user complaints about volume control issues. When your YouView remote isn't controlling the volume properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. The most common issue is incorrect HDMI CEC settings. Navigate to Settings, then Display and Audio, then HDMI Control to ensure HDMI CEC is enabled. Also, verify that your TV supports HDMI CEC and that it's enabled in your TV's settings. Different TV brands call this feature by different names like AnyNet Plus, Bravia Sync, or SimpLink. If your volume is too low, even at maximum, try adjusting the dynamic range settings. Go to Audio Settings and change from Full to Limited for louder output. Some YouView boxes have audio enhancement options like Night Mode or Audio Boost. These can often be found under Accessibility options in your settings menu. For low or no audio output, check your audio format settings. Try switching between PCM and Bitstream in the audio format settings to see which works better with your setup. If you're experiencing audio and video sync issues, you can adjust the audio delay in your settings. This helps synchronize the sound with the picture. Finally, if you're still having issues, check your HDMI connections. Ensure cables are properly connected, try a different HDMI cable, and check for any loose connections. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, you should be able to resolve most volume control issues with your YouView box and enjoy optimal audio performance.